Jerry Gonzalez backing off the tree a little bit after a red light on the left side, down to 7.54 this time on the right-hand side. Looks much more controlled, but backing off the throttle through the lights in this area on this right side run. Must have known she had issues somewhere else out on course, saving the tires for Grove's Landing, which I think is the next stop on the ProSolo Tour. I know my truck and trailer is sitting just outside of Grove's Landing right now, waiting for my return. Terra Nova on the left-hand side. Oh, and a bit of 2/10 pickup for Terra Nova, but he's plus one cone at 29.3 on that left-hand side, but plus a cone for Jerry. So that will keep him in that same position in STX behind Bruce Lucas, and still a dead heat tie. Moving on now to S1 leaders, Kevin Serron and Eric Stromitz going down here in S1, Street 1 battle. Stromitz up the first runs on Saturday morning. Led the way seeing Jason Hobbs, Jason McLeod talking with Larry, saying these guys are just getting started here, first event of the year, taking their car out of mothballs, taking it out of the garage, putting it on its own set of wheels and tires. So just getting the stars down in as Hobbs 25.8 slows down. If you can believe it, 25.8 wasn't faster. About 4/10 off this quick right side time. McLeod though 26.2 for Jackson. Jackson as well, so he gets some tires. Tony Kart, Joseph Pollock and Brad Smith and the Duke wagon next to finish up. Brad over there on the left side, 26.9. Pollock on the right side, 27.3, but no help for him. So not a lot of time going down here in all one. Still Jackson McLeod leading the way over Larry McLeod. Jason Hobbs in that third spot. Jackson and Larry separated by 0.2 of a second, 0.221. Sterling's all business this morning, a 5:64 reaction time in the Porsche Boxster. Course workers looking like they are trotting out behind Mr. Strelnick's. Two course workers sometimes means two cones. It's like he wiggled one, knocked one over. Nope, two cones looking like for Eric Strelnick's on this run, so +2. Eric looks like he knows it. Off throttle through the lights, not pushing that car hard at all. Knowing he's got those cones out there, Kevin Serron. And with the cone on the left side of the Civic, Kevin Serron +1, no help on time. Cone not hurting him that much. Dan Giro and Brian Phipps could be next in now as Robert Johns, Aaron Best at the line. Leading that mile 3, no improvement on this race. I thought for her, Mike Sullivan left lane at 34.1. Mike Sullivan picking up a nice 6/10 speed up on that left hand side. The team hit Montemiata out of Delville, Texas. Delville. Jason Hobbs looking for him to do good things here on Sunday. 25.8. A few tenths off his quick time, but no improvement. Tim Heaton also was in the trophies. Go down with Carter at 29.4. He finds a tenth of a second. So Tim Heaton now in that 8th spot, about 66 thousandths behind Aaron Best. Best about a 2/10 behind Gittner. Gittner not running this morning. Jackson McLeod now back on the right side at 25.2, 583 reaction time there for Jackson. Joe Pollard on the left lane, also in a car at 27.0, but not an improvement there for Joseph. So no changes right now in R1. Still McLeod, Hobbs, 1, 2, 3. Brad Smith in the Doof Wagon's going to be next in. And he's back with a 26.3, 3 thousandths quicker for Brad Smith. He's got a run to go on both sides, and now he's got warm tires. Chris Thomas is going to be next in the Red Devil. So he gets a solo run there on that right side course. Kevin Saron and Brian Phipps at the line. Chris Thomas here with a 28.1, but no help there for Chris Thomas. Slows down just a touch on that right side run. Kevin Saron and Brian Phipps on course, nearly identical with the 3, a 7:51 reaction time for Kevin to a 7:31 for Brian Phipps. Strolling still lead the way, and Greg Wilcox did not start here today. I wondered if I was missing something there, and sure enough, this is the Robert John's on the move here with a 1.3. If you're rounding up a 1.4 second pickup for Johns. Aaron Best on the right side. He's got 77 thousandths quicker, but with the car on the right side of the Model 3 of Aaron Best, no help. Jesse Brown on the left-hand lane, no help either. Sullivan and Heaton now on the line. Jackson's going to look at the left side course. Trying to get around Aaron Best. Not going to happen on this run. Just bouncing off his quick left side time, but no help. Brian Sullivan on the right side. He picks up half a second over here on the right side run. Brian Sullivan just getting better and better every single time he gets on this course with the Team Dent Montemiata out of Austin, Texas. Jackson McLeod now, he knows Proud Papa is coming out behind him. He might be his son, but he ain't going to take it laying down. He's going to teach him a little lesson here on how to stay calm, cool, and collected. Put it all together here. McLeod not finding time now. Jackson on that left side, so no time at all on final runs here. Jackson with one more run to go here on the right-hand side. I don't think he's found any time at all, though, but he's got the lead. So if you're not going to find time, make sure you're in the lead. He's following that script. And that right side run for Joseph Pollock. I don't know how he bent that car back around the wall on there before the finish, but he comes in clean. 25.8 finds 22 thousandths of a second for Pollock. And Brad Smith finds a nice tasty 2.5 tenths pickup there for Brad Smith in the Doof wagon. Still McLeod over McLeod though, and Jason Hobbs, those three guys, nothing has changed there. Larry's second driver is going to keep us waiting until the end here in R1. Chris Thomas solo run in the Red Devil at 27.9, but no help. Brian Gibbs now, Frederick Del Toro getting his shot behind the wheel. Gibbs driving that super tricked out Ford Focus ST. Picks up 1.2 on the left now, a nice 7.5 tenths pickup for Johns on the right. Getting around Joe Hall and Dan Giro. So Robert Johns moving up 2 spots in the standings in S1. Nice. Even with that sleepy 1.1 second.
Call him.
Best to get up in those trips.